Good morning, students. I understand there are certain diagrams in biology this year which you might find difficult to draw. So today I will be teaching you how to draw structure of human heart, where it has to be started from and how you will get the exact shape. So we start with superior vena cava like this. We come down, we make inferior vena cava, then make a curve like that, complete this part, then I have to make pulmonary artery. So I am drawing pulmonary artery that will divide into two parts. So I am bifurcating into two parts here and here also into two parts. Then I will continue with the left atrium, a curve like this here, and I'll stop here. Then I will continue with the right ventricle. Now since we know human heart is four chambered, both the ventricles are divided, they are partitioned. I will draw partition here so that two ventricles are equally divided. Now I am continuing with the left ventricle. Here I will continue with the outer like this. I will continue with the outer. Then I will complete the walls. Since left ventricle has thicker wall, I will make it thick. I will come down and complete it. Now after this you can make one more line. You can simply double it like the way I am doing, or you can just shade it like the way you can shade it like I am doing, or you can just make a simple line. And you can also use blue and red color depending upon which side of the heart you are making. So I am just thickening all the blood vessels here like this. Once the thickening is done, then I can label it. And I can make the arrows like blood is entering, deoxygenated blood is entering from these two veins into the right atrium, then into the right ventricle. And what are these two elongated structures? These are valves here. Then from the pulmonary veins, the blood, oxygenated blood, will enter into the left atrium, then into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle it will go to aorta. Then we have to make valves at the base of pulmonary artery and at the base of aorta too. And these valves, the structures which I am darkening now, these are bicuspid valves on the left hand side. Now these walls also, walls of the ventricle can also be shaded with a darker shade, and then you can label it. So if I label all the parts that I will tell you, this will be right atrium, right ventricle. From the right ventricle, blood will move to pulmonary artery for oxygenation, then to the lungs, respective lungs, right and left lungs. Once the blood is pure, it will come through pulmonary veins into the left atrium. then into the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle into outer, and then to all the body parts. Thank you.